Hello guys, Miguel Loud shout out. It's a bad weather today. Sandstorm na naman. Problema na naman to mamaya. Marami na naman tayong lilinisin na alikabok. Ito yung ano dito, yung problema sa Saudi. Saudi is always having bad weather during summer. Gallery shout out. This is a very quick live. Maybe only 5 minutes. Brother Mercenaria, Miguel Loud shout out. Boom dia, boom dia. This is a very quick live. Maybe just only 5 minutes. Let me show you the bad weather. The weather now is not good. It's a sandstorm. Storming a sand. Bad weather today. Thank you so much for the support, guys. Thank you so much. This is a very quick live. Very quick live. Only very quick live. I'm sorry to my nightbot. Di, adventure tuldok muna, lalabs. Patuldok muna ako. May nightbot ako eh. Brother Angel 2, shout out, brother. Good morning, brother. Thank you so much for coming, for visiting my live today. You have already a moderator, brother. I just put gasoline, and I do live, very quick live. Sorry for my internet, guys. It's too bad. I'm loading. Wala na akong internet. Loading. Ay, bumalik na ba? Saglit lang to, Ripa. Saglit lang. Nagpagasolina lang ako. Pauwi na. Saglit lang to. Nagpagas lang ako. Nag-ano kasi sandstorm. Pinakita ko lang yung sandstorm eh. Tingnan nyo yung sandstorm, no? Sandstorm. Ang dilim ng kalangitan ba? Sandstorm. Storm. Really bad weather. It's really bad weather today.